Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you are fine. Welcome to my channel, Mathematics Lectures with Kashif Saleem. So I am Kashif Saleem. Today we are going to learn law of cosine. Actually, we are going to prove it. Law of cosine is usually used to solve a triangle which is not necessarily a right angle triangle. So you can apply it on any triangle to solve and to find angles and sides of a triangle. So let's get started. First, you have to consider a triangle which is not necessarily a right angle triangle. So this is a triangle. Let's suppose this is a triangle. Now there are vertices. This is vertex A, this is vertex B, and this is vertex C. So opposite to vertex A is small a, opposite to vertex B is small b, and opposite to vertex C is a small c. So first I will write it clearly so that you may not confuse with beta. This is vertex B. This is not angle beta. This is vertex P. So now draw a perpendicular. Now draw a perpendicular from vertex C on AB, which meet which meet AB at point. Let's suppose this is point D, capital D. So I will remove it from here. This is small c, the length of the side AB. Okay. Now there are two triangles that are basically a right angle triangle, so you can apply trigonometric ratios here. So this is the first triangle, and this is a second triangle. Let's suppose the length of side AD is, let's suppose this is X and this is Y, and the length of the perpendicular drawn from C on AB is, let's suppose it is M. So what you have to do, you have to find first X, M, Y. So for this, you have to consider triangle. First consider triangle ABC, ACD, CAD. Actually, I should write here what I have done here. So write. Let's write what I have done here. So let us consider triangle ABC. Draw perpendicular from AB, from C, sorry, on AB, which meet AB at point D. So let first consider triangle CAD. So I should write it a line here so that you can understand that this is a line. This is line AB. This is line AB. This is triangle CAD. So first consider triangle CAD. I forgot to write here angles. That is angle A is basically alpha, angle B is actually beta, and angle C is actually gamma. So now what you have to do, first we will find X, Y, and M. So for this you have to find first, let's suppose first find M. So what is M? So you can use sine alpha. Sine alpha is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So what is perpendicular? Actually we have perpendicular here M, and hypotenuse is equal to B, which is opposite to the vertex D, which is right angle. So we have M is equal to B sine alpha. So this is equation A. Now apply cosine alpha equal to base upon hypotenuse on the same triangle. So this is x upon b. So we have x is equal to b cos alpha, which is equation b. And now if you look at this figure, here the length of AB is equal to C, and we have already figured out X, so we can find Y, which is equal to Y is equal to C minus X. So what is X? We have X is equal to C minus B cos alpha. This is Y equal to C minus B cos alpha. Now say this is equation C, and again we are going to consider triangle, which is a right angle triangle, the second triangle CBD. I should write it here. So consider triangle CBD, which is also a right angle triangle. So we can apply Pythagorean theorem here. So what is Pythagorean theorem? So this is the right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. So now we already know that hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So what is perpendicular? We have perpendicular is equal to m. So we have already defined what is the value of m. So m is equal to b sine alpha. So now what we will do, we have hypotenuse is equal to a, perpendicular equal to m, and base is equal to y. Because we are considering second triangle, so we have a square is equal to y square plus m square. So now what you have to do? Well, just put the values of the variables which we have already defined here. So what is the value of y? A square is equal to c minus b cos alpha whole square. And what is the value of m? So the value of m is equal to b sine alpha, which is here. And value of y is here. So what you have to do, just put the values, which is equal to b sine alpha whole square. So now simplify it. A square is equal to c square minus 2cb cos alpha plus b square cos square alpha plus b square sine square alpha. Now if you simplify this equation, so if you look at this value b square cos square alpha and b square sine square alpha, so you can take common b square here. So what is the value? C square minus 2cb cos alpha, taking common b square. So you have cos square alpha plus sine square alpha, which is equal to 1. So you have a square is equal to c square minus 2cb cos alpha plus b square. So if I arrange it, c square plus b square minus 2cb cosine alpha. So this equation here is known as law of cosine. This is the law of cosine. So if you want to find b square rather than a square, so how you will write it? So b square is equal to a square plus c square minus 2ac cos beta. And similarly, you can define c square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos gamma. So this is the proof. This is very simple. Hopefully you understand the lesson. So if you feel any ambiguity or any problem, then you can ask questions in comment section. So thank you. Allah Hafiz.